Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the double line MACD indicator for MT4. All right. So for more information, just check the description below. You're going to find the link to this web page, right? Now, this indicator is the MACD indicator with double lines. Okay, unlike the traditional MACD indicator, that you might just see mostly histogram bars, right? This one employs lines as well, to help you get faster signals, right? And then, of course, you get your precise buy signal and precise sell signal. So when you have the shorter period cross above the longer period, of course, is giving you a buy signal. But then you also need to watch out for the histogram bars crossing above the zero level. Okay, you need to see the histogram bars cross above the zero level for you to get your buy confirmation. And then on the other hand, when you have the shorter period cross below the longer period line, you get your sell signal, but then confirmed by the histogram bars flipping to the downside, right? When you have the histogram bars in the negative below zero, that's a confirmation. It's an additional signal to the bearish crossover. So two things that you have to look out for are the crossovers between the lines and the histogram bars flipping to the positive side. A bullish crossover and a positive flip in the histogram bars give you a buy signal. A bearish crossover and a negative flip, right, to the downside gives you a sell signal. Okay, so it is important to always get confirmations even when trading with the double line MACD indicator. All right, always get your confirmation to watch out for candlestick patterns, chart patterns, and any other confirmation that you usually use. Okay, make sure you get confluence at least before executing a trade, and do not neglect proper risk management. Don't forget that you can have a good strategy, but if you do not have a good risk management practice, you can still lose a lot of money. So do not trade with an amount you can't afford to lose, and do not over leverage. It's very important. Thank you for watching. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content being posted on this channel regularly. Thank you once again. See you in the next video. Happy trading.